All right, it's gonna be a little short video. I guess I'll show Catfishing Chris catching his drum. But yesterday I went because, well, number one, John from Creek Fishing Adventures was coming, and Catfishing Chris was coming, and I thought, well, cool, we'll just have a nice little day of fishing, catch some fish. I worked the night before, so usually I come home and go to bed that next day. But I figured I'll go ahead and do it, and it's supposed to be bad Thursday. Well, it is now sunshiny, no clouds. It is a little chilly right now. It's 40 degrees, but it's beautiful out. So why didn't I plan a trip for today? I may have to change some plans. Anyway, little quick video here. We got the FLW, I believe, is in town today on Chickamauga Lake. So I may just like right up there and look around and see if I can find any of the big names fishing this morning. But we'll be back in just a few minutes. Maybe we'll have some more footage. Y'all stick around. What's going on? Kevin here, Captain Hook Fishing. We're at Booker T, Washington this morning. I just got off of work, and we got a cold front coming in here. Probably this evening. Stopped at Jack's Bait and Tackle over on Bonnie Oaks Drive. Got me some medium shiners, some night crawlers, and some red worms. I'm gonna do a little fishing today. A couple hours anyway. Like I said, I just got off work, so I'm gonna have to go home, get in bed sometime here in a little bit. So we're gonna hang out, see what's going on, see if we've got any kind of action with all this crazy weather we've had. Hopefully it's got the fish stirred up a little bit. Trying to get my lines all straightened out here. Got my big one, catfish rod or big bass rod, whatever we decide to put on that one. Got my ultralight. Maybe catch some of those big shiners to put on there. Just wait and see what happens. Water's down from where it was last week. It was, you can see where it was. It was back at full pool last week, but it's finally dropping. They got the dam wide open, so water is escaping from up here. Anyway, let me get everything rigged up and be back in a few. All right, we got this medium shiner, just a split shot, just enough to make it sink just a little bit. I'm just going to kind of free line him. Come get my bait. There we go. Let's get this one set up. Get that drag set loose. Let's see if we can catch some of them shiners. Get out of my... He stole my bait. Look at him run off with my shiner in his mouth. Those things are too expensive. I guess I'm lucky Jax has got a special going on right now. Buy 2 dozen medium shiners, you get a dozen for free. You better quit that. I'll feed you before the day's over, hopefully. All right, we got us a bluegill head. Fresh bluegill head. Throw it out here. Let's think. Excuse me. There we go. Let's drag it a little bit. There we go. Good deal. A little slack there. Bait runner's on. Let's let it soak, see what happens here. There's another little bluegill here. Bald eagle. That's cool. And a blue.
This is where I want to invest my next investment. A nice camera that can. Well, I got a camera that can do it. I got something to buy it in.
Right.
I like to get some stuff like that, nature shots.
Yeah.
Really cool nature shots. But from far away, you know, it's like, you can't go see it. Oh,
The skunk is gone.
we're on the board.
Drop shotting. There you go.
We gotta have to get this on camera. We might not see anymore.
It might be the only fish of the day.
We've got something. We got proof that we caught fish.
Yeah, hold it closer.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
3-pounder. Could have used a minnow net on that one. Chris is hooked up.
I don't know. I'm gonna be able to get this up here.
Uh-oh. Chris is hooked up. Yeah. What is it? He hadn't even seen it yet. Big drum. Daggum, Chris.
Goodness, where's it going? Throw me your rod. If you want to walk it down here, you can. I ain't gonna do it.
Yeah, it won't go around. Let's see if I get down there to it without getting wet. Trying to get down here. Get Chris's drum. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Ah. Now what?
How are we gonna do this?
Can you get to the... You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Whew. All that for old drum. That's too much exercise.
About 3 inches shorter, I wouldn't be able to get to it. That's the thing I'm worried about, something coming along and dragging my pole in the water or something like that.
Yeah. Nope, I don't have my scale. There you go.
So, like, bulky. Four eight.
A big old drum.
Good catch on the ultralight. I don't think we'll do that.
Outfished again.
Alright, it's my turn to get one. Here comes the rain. That's what I'm waiting on. The rain will get going. He knows. Like, you gonna feed me? Come back with me.
Come here, buddy. I guess you can whistle at him. Yeah. All right, I'm calling it a day. I worked all night. Been up since like 4 yesterday afternoon. John and Chris are going to stick around and try to catch something. Right now, Chris is in the lead. He's got the big fish for the day. John's struggling. He'll make it though. I got faith in John. John's got more subscribers than Chris does.
I finally signed up for TikTok and I couldn't figure out how they find